Why do my TechSmith Snagit uploads to YouTube look so blurry? I am embarrassed to talk to you about this, but I actually called the TechSmith Snagit people to get some resolution, literally, on this topic. And the kind gentleman directed me to the cogwheel on my own computer and directed me to change my quality from 360. By the way, let's look at Calculus 2 right here and notice the difference. Change it to 720, and now I get a crystal clear Calculus 2. There's nothing wrong with my videos. There's nothing wrong with Snagit in this case, or YouTube. It's an operator error because of me. I'm the problem. So thank you, TechSmith Snagit support guy, for helping me with my perception problem.